Alright class, in your groups you're going to be doing this error analysis together. So first you should just watch me go through this problem and you should be writing it down on your sheet. I give you a space to write it down the wrong way that I do it and then a space below to do it correctly. John bought 35 sticks of gum for $2.11. Phil spent $3.15 on 43 sticks of gum. Who spent the least amount of money per stick of gum? Write 1 to 2 sentences with mathematical data to support your answer. Well, first of all, I need to compute my unit rates. So I am going to divide, and I should go through and also get my important information. Make sure my pen is on the right thickness here. So 35 there and there, right? Okay, so step 1 done and step 2 done. I underlined my important information. That was step 1 and 2. Step 3, set up division problem. I'm going to have 2 different ones. I'm going to have John. You should be writing this down too. John, and I'm going to have Phil. John went 35. Sticks of gum for $2.11, and Phil 43. Okay, now I need to compute this. So to do that, I always need to divide for unit, right? So for Phil, 35 divided by 2.11 equals 16.5. I could round that to 8 or 9. I'll round to 9. $16.59 per stick gum. And then we have 315 divided by 43. Oof. And then we only had 7 cents per stick gum. Alright, so now it asks me though to write 1 to 2 sentences with mathematical data to support your answers. So, who spent less? Well, only 7 cents here. $16.59 per stick of gum. That's a lot of money for a stick of gum. If you guys have bought gum before, you know that. So, my sentence would be something along the lines of, let's see here if I can write this. I'll write it on top. Phil spent less, and I'll abbreviate because the unit rate was less. Alright, so now in your teams, I want you to go ahead. I made an error, and I'll also give you a hint that even if I didn't make an error, how I wrote that in my 1 to 2 sentence explanation was not good enough either. So find the error that I made, and then hopefully you guys can come up with a better sentence than I just modeled to you guys. Good luck.